Different types of dirt.
Limescale. A hard white layer from water minerals. Limescale covers the kettle. I removed limescale from the tap. Limescale. Soap scum. A white film left by soap and minerals. Soap scum coated the shower doors. Vinegar helped remove soap scum. Soap scum. Stain. A colored mark that is hard to remove. There is a coffee stain on my shirt. She cleaned the stain quickly. Stain. Smudge. A blurred or smeared mark made by rubbing. Finger smudges covered the glass door. He wiped the screen to remove oily smudges. Smudge. Sticky spot. A small area that feels tacky or glue-like. The table had sticky spots from spilled juice. She cleaned the sticky spot left by candy. Sticky spot. Streak. A long thin line or mark, often left after wiping. Water streaks appeared on the window. The mirror had streaks after quick cleaning. Streak. Grime. Thick, ingrained dirt from long neglect. Grime covered the kitchen tiles near the stove. He scrubbed away years of grime. Grime. Grease. Thick oily dirt, usually from cooking or machines. Grease coated the frying pan handle. The mechanic washed grease off his hands. Grease. Dust bunny. A ball of dust and hair that gathers under furniture. Look, a dust bunny under the bed. The vacuum picked up lots of dust bunnies. Dust bunny. Scuff mark. A light scratch or dirt mark from rubbing. Scuff marks ruined the floor polish. Use an eraser to remove scuff marks. Scuff mark. Splat. A messy spot made by something wet hitting a surface. A splat of ketchup hit my shirt. There's a mud splat on the wall. Splat. Dust. Fine dry particles that collect on surfaces. The bookshelf was covered in dust. Don't forget to dust the lampshade. Dust. Water spot. A round mark left after water dries. There are water spots on the table. Hard water leaves water spots on glasses. Water spot. Mold. Fuzzy fungus that grows in damp areas. Mold grew on the bathroom wall. Throw away the bread, it's covered in mold. Mold. Mildew. A thin layer of fungus, especially on damp clothes or walls. The towel smells like mildew. Mildew appeared on the shower curtain. Mildew. Mud. Wet dirt or soil. The dog tracked mud onto the carpet. Don't step in the mud puddle. Mud. Soot. Black powder from smoke or fire. The chimney was full of soot. Soot covered the walls after the fire. Soot. Grout dirt. Dirt trapped between tiles. The grout dirt makes the bathroom look old. Scrub grout lines to remove dirt. Earwax. Yellow or brown wax from the ear. Earwax can block hearing. She cleaned the earwax gently. Sleep. Crust in eyes after sleeping. I had sleep in my eyes. She washed the sleep away. Ash. Powdery residue from burning. Fireplace ash covered the rug. Clean out the ash tray regularly. Footprint. Mark made by a dirty or wet foot. Muddy footprints led to the kitchen. Wipe your shoes to avoid footprints. Pet hair. Loose fur from animals on surfaces. The couch is full of pet hair. Use a lint roller to remove pet hair.